Alright, you guys, how's it going? And tonight we're going to be talking about some stuff that has been happening to me and Shay. Shay's here, just kicking the ball about. And yeah, when we were going to play our games upstairs, we put the disc in on FIFA 17, and when we hit the button on FIFA 17, when we hit start on FIFA 17, it just said the disc wasn't in, and I fully put the disc in. I didn't put it the wrong way or anything, so I tried that again, and it didn't work again. So we went downstairs because that was a bit freaking me out, and me and Shay heard noises, and it's so dark. Me and Shay heard noises, and also we watched the Jake Paul video, the scariest night of my life, and yeah, we can't get that out of our head, so we're probably not going to be able to sleep tonight. Aren't we not, Shay? Okay. So yeah, it's been really cool for me and Shay. Tell what else has been happening. I don't know. Come on, why you hurt out the window? Don't make it really loud. Noises. What type of noises? Banging noises? Like what? Like this? Yeah, they're a bit louder. Exactly like that. So yep, it's really creeping us out. It's out the window. Do you want me to show you guys, or are they going to be too short? You know what? Let's just show you. And by the way, I recommend not watching the Jake Paul video. Don't. Cares out. There's nothing right there. But I tell you. This is crazy, guys. Probably not going to be able to sleep tonight. There's nothing dropped there. What the? That was my dog. I got so yeah, if you didn't see the Jake Paul video, go check it out, but if you want to, go check it out. It's not really that good. I'm never watching it ever again. That's stuck in my head.
Well, I am.
Probably not going to be able to sleep
I'm going to watch it again.
Shay's going to be probably saying, "Oh, I can't wait until it's daytime."
Or
and he's going to be hugging me the whole entire time when we're in my bed. And yeah, anybody's watching this, please do not watch that Jake Paul video. If they were using a Ouija board in a mental asylum, and then yeah, I was just asking the Ouija board questions. He said, "What is Jake's mom's name?" And then the Ouija board went over to Pam. Pam, that's his mom's name. So yeah, that was really, it's not stopping, more freaky. So yeah, it's freaky. And then when they were about to leave, this person started chasing them. What did he look like?
He didn't look like anything. He just looked like
Slenderman. He looked like he had white face, like me. But literally, I playing white. I'm probably playing white right now because there's a light shining right here. And he had a blue suit on. He had dark hair. And he had like a knife, like you want to see the size of his knife. How, like, what was it?
really big.
Like, probably, like, from Shay's nose out to the camera. Yeah, it's that big. probably not gonna be able. We're just definitely not gonna be able to sleep tonight.
There's more bagging. And Shay.
Yeah, there's more.
And I what?
I still like going dark. Can you stop the light? So yeah, I just wanted to talk about that video. Well, talk about the things that's been happening. And yeah, see you guys tomorrow. I'll be uploading another video. So yeah, see you guys later. Bye. Stay harder than me.